Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you these last two patterns, pyramid patterns or star patterns with JavaScript. So this is going to be a quick demonstration of JavaScript code. I'm going to write and show you how these are printed. These star patterns or pyramids are printed in JavaScript. So let's get started. Go ahead and fire up your text editor, and if you have some time you can press the subscribe button as well. So let's get started here. So this is what we're going to achieve in this tutorial. I'm going to create a new snippet here and I'm going to call it whatever, right left pira, and then it's a JavaScript file, and hopefully now you can see it. I'm going to now the sidebar has gone and we are going to do very simple stuff. So simply going to create a function here and I'm going to say right pira. You can name whatever you want, okay, and it's going to take number of rows you want to print this for, and then a for loop within it, and for loop to just loop that number of times for the rows. Okay, so here we go. It begins with 0 and make sure it's equal to or less than 2 of rows, and it keeps increasing by 1. Now in here we are going to require spaces and stars, so I'm going to create spaces which are built of 2 spaces, okay, like that, and I'm going to repeat. This is inbuilt string method in JavaScript that lets you repeat in the same row. So I'm going to repeat it by rows minus I, because we need 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 spaces like this, decreasing spaces and increasing stars, so that we can print the first type of pattern that I showed you in the intro. Let's go ahead and print the stars. Stars is going to be a star and 1 space, so you want to make sure that both look proportionately balanced, and we want this to be repeated in incrementing fashion. So it starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to this row, and now we want to print these both together using console log. Console log is going to first print the spaces and then stars, and hopefully we are done here. Right pira, and I'm going to print it for 10 times. Save it, run it, and let me just clear it and run it again. So you can see it's printing like this. Okay, so that's what we wanted. Now we want to go into print upside down, and to do so, what we need to do, let me go ahead and decrease the font size, and I'm going to just console log for a new line here, and similar function again. So it's going to be function and it's going to be left pira. It's going to take rows, right, and then we are going to type this for loop again, and within this for loop we are going to take this Okay, now and then I'm going to say star. Star is going to be made of what? Star and one space, and then it's going to repeat for rows minus 1. So rows minus rows minus I, and then I'm going to say space, which is going to be 2 spaces, just so that they look better proportionately on the screen. And this time again repeat for I times, which is basically incrementing every time. Oops, no. And I think we're done here. So left pira. Oops. What if I give 10 times again? It's not space here, it's space, right? And let's see. This time I'm going to run them again. And you can see this is the last one which we have. So let me clear everything and run it again. So this is what we have again here. And this is what we wanted to achieve. And we have successfully written a program, a function in JavaScript that prints this pattern. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.